Hi guys, I'm Christoph from Cold Source Tech, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the RK61, a 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. Is it the best budget board in its class? Let's see. The box contains a white RK61 board, a removable Type-C cable, a user manual, and a quick start guide with function maps and Bluetooth pairing instructions. I purchased the all white with blue LEDs backlit with brown switches. It comes with white ABS double shot keycaps that are soft at the touch, but not smooth and shiny like many cheaper ABS keycap sets. I love that the keyboard has added functionality of embedded arrow keys, especially for those moving from larger keyboards to 60%. The board has no flex and the plastic body feels sturdy. There's no angle adjustment and weighs about 1 pound and a few ounces. The brown switches seem to be a proprietary brand switch from Royal Kludge, not being Cherry or Gateron. It doesn't seem to be lubed, has a slight tactile feel with minor resistance. The board is not hot swappable and all switches are soldered in. The stabilizers do come generously factory lubed and sound reasonably good. Listen to the sound test. Funny enough, I assumed I was purchasing the full RGB version, but sadly noticed on delivery I made a mistake. The blue LEDs do shine bright in low and high light environments, and the board comes with 17 lighting options for the light show lovers out there. Take a look. So I thought all white caps was a tad bit boring for me, so I purchased a cheap PBT set on Amazon. And well, it didn't turn out how I expected. I didn't like that I had major light bleed, and I decided to go back to the main clean look of all white. In conclusion, you get a lot of value for the price. If you're on a tight budget and can't get a higher end 60%, like a Ducky Mecha, the Ant Pro, the Razor Huntsman, and even the new Corsair K65, the Royal Kludge 61 is a good starting off point to enjoy the small footprint mechanical keyboard with an added wireless factor. Let me know down below in the comments how you feel about the RK61, and if purchased, what you like and dislike about it. Thanks for taking time to watch this video and enjoy the rest of your day.